Managing multiple sites with Acutrace by Pinergy is simple and easy to do. For the best results, please use Chrome as your browser and set your screen resolution to 67%. Then click the login link provided by your account manager. Log in using your case-sensitive username and password. Save the credentials when prompted. On the home screen, you can see real-time and historical data from all sites. The header widget shows total combined data for energy, carbon dioxide, and costs for all sites at a helicopter view. If you have solar PV, you can also see the energy you're capturing. For EV charging, you can also monitor usage in this view. You can adjust the date range using preset options, daily, weekly, monthly, or set a custom date range. Once logged in, it will default to the previous day. When viewing the graphs, you'll notice each site as a bar chart along with color coding for day and night usage. The variance between periods is shown in the widget box above the graphs in both percentage and units for easy comparison. Use the left side menu or global bar chart to select a specific site. Click the desired building, site name, or bar to exclusively review that location. Beneath the menu, you'll find the global report, allowing you to access the combined data for all sites by day, week, or month. Clicking this will provide you with this data in Excel format for analysis and presentation. With Acutrace by Pinergy, powerful insights are always at your fingertips. Discover what your site can reveal today.